Hi guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a face wash that I have been purchasing for my husband. He usually sticks to Neutrogena products just because he's comfortable with them. He's used like the invigorating blue face wash for a while, and it's just really good. He said he likes that it makes his skin smooth, doesn't cause him any breakouts or irritation, and it doesn't leave any like kind of residue. And he just said his skin feels like that clean and minty feeling afterwards. So I purchased Neutrogena Men Skin Clearing Acne Wash today because I thought maybe try something new, and not just that, but he's been having a couple breakouts just because like in the summer he was sweating a lot with his job. He's outside and it was hot, and he's been getting some breakouts here and there. So I figured he likes Neutrogena, so we'll stick to their products. And the Skin Clearing Acne Wash clears breakouts and helps prevent new ones. I know Neutrogena is a very well-established product, and I purchased their makeup and face wash sometimes myself, as well as their moisturizers and other products that they make, and I definitely agree that they're really great, and I've been super happy with them. Haven't had a bad experience either. So yeah, so this is the 5.1 ounces salicylic acid acne treatment from Neutrogena. It says new info on it, so I don't know. I guess the product's not new. I guess maybe just like the label and stuff. Some stuff is probably new on here. So the Neutrogena Men's Skin Clearing Acne Wash controls your breakouts. It's a powerful acne treatment and cleanser in one formula to treat and to help prevent breakouts in one simple step. Rinses clean without over drying. It eliminates oil. It's non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog your pores. Softens facial hair before shaving, which is also good. So he could use this right before he shaves, and it'll like soften the hair and maybe help it be removed a little bit easier as well. And so the drug facts: salicylic acid 2%. The purpose is for acne treatment. Use for the treatment of acne. Warnings for external use only, of course. When using this product, skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur if you use another topical acne medication at the same time. If irritation occurs, only use one topical acne medication at a time. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, flush thoroughly with water. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Directions: cleanse twice a day. Wet face with warm water. Apply to hands. Add warm water and massage face gently. Rinse thoroughly. Other information: store at room temperature. And then of course, I think we either keep it in the shower or like just the shelf in the bathroom. So other information: store at room temperature. Inactive ingredients: water, sodium C1416, olefin, sulfonate, coca-midopropyl betaine. Sorry if I'm butchering some of these words. Sodium chloride, fragrance, polysorbate 20, PEG, sorbitan laurate, C1215, alkyl lactate, benzalkonium chloride, disodium ETA, coca-midopropyl. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to stop. You guys get the idea, but I see some good stuff in here. Aloe, of course, leaf extract, flower extracts, chamomilla, flower extract, sodium hydroxide, citric acid, yellow 5, red 40. Questions: you could go to neutrogenamen.com, or you can call. Neutrogena Corporation is in Los Angeles, California. So it's this pretty orange color. Let's see. Look at the consistency. It's like an easy to squeeze bottle, plastic. You can see a little bit sticking out. So let's see the fragrance. Oh, it smells very pleasant. It smells manly. It smells like cologne in a good way. It's like Axe or one of those things. Nice. I guess that's the best way to describe it. A manly smell. I love it. I think it smells great. It smells like a little bit natural, but also like a little bit like a cologne too. So really nice. I wonder if this is safe for me to use. I like product. I mean, I'm in my late 20s, but sometimes I still get breakouts too. And I do use a face wash that has salicylic acid in it as well, and I find that that ingredient in products really helps with breakouts. So this is Neutrogena Men's Skin Clearing Acne Wash, and I hope you guys try it out, and I really hope you found the video useful. Thank you so much for watching.